Top 5 biggest birds of the world. Number 1. Ostrich. The ostrich is the largest and the heaviest bird in the world. Its height is around 9 feet, which is about 2.7 meters height. Its weight is 222 to 350 pounds. In other words, its weight is 100 to 160. Number 2. Emus. Emus are the second largest bird species in the world. They stand about 5.2 to 6.6 feet tall, which is around 2 meters height, and it weighs around 80 to 130 pounds. If we talk about kilograms, it is around 59 kg. Number 3. Cassowary. These flightless birds are found in the forests of New Guinea and nearby islands. They can stand about 5.8 to 6.6 feet tall, which is around 1.7 to 2 meters height, and it weighs around 110 to 130 pounds. If we talk about kilograms, its weight is around 60 kilograms. Number 4. Rhea. Rheas are the native South America and are closely related to the ostriches. The greater Rhea can stand about 4.9 to 5.9 feet, which is about 1.5 to 1.8 meters tall, and it weighs around 66 to 88 pounds. In kilograms, it is around 40 30. Number 5. Kori Bustard. The Kori Bustard is a large bird native to Africa and is considered one of the heaviest flying birds in the world. Bustards can weigh up to around 40 pounds, which is 18 kilograms, and it stands about 3.3 to 4.4 feet, which is around 1.3 meters tall.